What's up, guys? We're over here at White Sands National Park in New Mexico. Holy cow, this is insane. I should have wore some sandals for this. I got regular tennis shoes, and this is gonna suck when I bring in sand like crazy. I hate sand. So we made our first stop here. We're gonna go and slide down to Dune, hopefully. Let's see if I can.
Remember she said you had to lift it up a little bit?
Let's see. Can I push you? It's not the same as...
Wait.
You want to go on your own?
Go to where the tried and true people are right there with that big gun. There's a big in the ground. No. Good.
Uh-oh. You got this, Lucas. Come on.
Go, Lucas, go! Feet up, put your feet up. That's the whole thing?
Uh-oh.
That's the whole thing. You try. She's gonna go back.
Is this sand cold?
Yeah. Very.
Is it really?
Oh, yes.
Oh, it is cold.
What?
Yeah.
I thought it was gonna be like freezing.
No, not freezing, but...
Compared to like you would think it like absorbs the heat.
Yeah.
It's so freaking hot. But I'm gonna tell you, Mateo's
All right.
like this.
Let's see.
Woo! Okay. Sorta. Getting there. No, I'm going steeper. I'm going steeper.
You got over there, steeper.
Yeah, there you go. Well, I guess not maybe not all the way back. But yeah, when you start getting, try to lean back.
Look at the slide. Look at the slide marks people left over there.
You won't flip over. Yeah, I could do it. I feel like we'll do it. Yeah, she said crisscross applesauce in the thing. Yeah, I see people just do like that. They don't actually do crisscross applesauce and then lean back. This is it. I'm really leaning down.
Let's see. Oh, look at like I'm gonna go. There you go. There you go. No. All right, but you two come over here. Yep, you got it. You got it. Pull up the front so you don't collect the sand. There you go. Lean back. Here, I'll pull you.
No.
Lean back.
No.
Lean back. There you go. All right, you think you got it, Lucas? Let's see. Uh-oh. Here he comes. He's gonna do it. What are you doing? Okay, I'll pull you from here.
No, stop it, no. Wait.
Pull it back, there you go. What are you doing?
Wait.
Look at us.
So much. Oh, it's going.
Woo, that's fun. But man, getting back up there, it's not an easy task. I'll make a powering. There you go. Holy cow. I'm glad I wore light clothing because it's hot.
There's insects. Daddy, have you found a snake yet, or a lizard?
Nah.
Have you my turn and then your turn, okay?
There's a myth where if you cover yourself in sand,
Yeah.
then if you try to get up, it's gonna be impossible.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Look, sliding down the white sands is fun, but you gotta make sure you have some light clothes and plenty of water because you're gonna need it when you're here. All right, boys and girls, I'm venturing out to the whiteness of this white sands desert. It's hot. Don't have any water, food. I don't have help or humans for miles. So I'm gonna keep going. Hopefully these are not my last words. Sand for miles, not a human soul in sight. No one here for miles. They are far away. All right, look at this. You got this. Put your other leg out. Put it up. Put it up. There you go. Good job. Don't try to climb up here. The sand's too loose. Go that way. All right, look at this. Good job.